Welcome to our sketchy world of cybersecurity, where we'll be breaking down the steps to build a robust cybersecurity supply chain. So let's dive in right now. Identify your cybersecurity supply chain. Picture it as a web of people, processes, and tech working together. List all components, suppliers, software, everything in between. Typical activities. Create a visual map of your supply chain. Identify key stakeholders and their roles. Document the flow of data and information between different elements. Now, assess supply chain risks. Find vulnerabilities, weak links, and potential trouble spots. Like a reverse treasure hunt, we aim to avoid cyber threats. Typical activities. Conduct a risk assessment, considering factors such as data sensitivity and threats. Evaluate security measures. Prioritize risks based on potential impact and likelihood. Time to be the architect. Security. Develop a risk plan. Sketch strategies to tackle risks. Blueprint your enhanced security, maybe add firewalls as a moat for your cyber castle. Typical activities. Define specific actions to address identified risks. Allocate resources and responsibilities for implementing the mitigation plan. Establish timelines for the execution. Turn sketches into reality. Implement security controls, like firewalls, encryption, and access controls. Deploy them like cyber superheroes, shielding your supply chain from every angle. Typical activities. Deploy firewalls, antivirus software, and encryption tools. Enforce access controls to limit unauthorized entry. Update and patch software to address vulnerabilities regularly. Keep cyber binoculars. Monitor the supply chain regularly. Watch for suspicious activity, anomalies, or anything unusual. Like a cyber watchdog, stay vigilant. Typical activities. Set up monitoring tools for real-time threat detection. Analyze logs and reports to identify unusual patterns. Set up incident response procedures to address any incident promptly. Cyber checkup time. Regularly review and update security plans. Evolve defenses as cyber threats change. Upgrade your cyber armor for a stylish and secure look. Stay trendy, stay safe. Typical activities. Conduct periodic security reviews and assessments. Update risk assessments. Revise security plans and controls to address emerging risks and technologies. The key is communication. Engage vendors. Build strong ties. Share security goals. Ensure everyone's on the same page. Like forming cyber alliances, teamwork makes the dream work. Typical activities. Establish clear security expectations in vendor contracts. Conduct regular security reviews with vendors. Collaborate on security best practices and share threat intelligence. And there you have it. If you enjoy our video, hit that like button. Subscribe for more sketchy adventures, and we will catch you in the next episode. Stay secure and thanks for watching.